Good morning, folks. This is Alan Blosser, Mount Comfort RV. It's the end of January. It's a little chilly out here, but we wanted to do a quick video on this. This is a 2020 InTech Horizon Eclipse. This is the new body style. It is here on our lot right now. I'll go over it a little bit, but just to let you know, it is here. It's on our lot, and it is for sale. This is the 2020. It has the new floor plan. This will be the front kitchen, rear dinette, and bed, mid-bath. But this has an automotive glass in the front. We did option in the cover for this, so it is a heavy canvas blanket that goes on here. Not really worried about rocks. We're more worried about bugs when you get to your campsite, so you're not scraping bugs off that windshield for the first half hour of your camping day. We did option in the two twin 20-pound tanks. They are inside of here. This is an all aluminum frame, and I'm not just saying the underframe, the sidewalls, the front, and the roof. It is a cage. It's an aluminum cage. That's an InTech plan. Not like the Horizon Soul where you get the rear kitchen. This one does not have that, but it does have a storage compartment here where your blankets in there, your crank for your awnings in there, your 30 amp cord will be in there. Again, all aluminum trailer, fiberglass. It's an axle cage. You've got a torsion axle. Your wheel wells and your wheels are outside the box. This thing is going to ride just so stable, and it's going to tow so stable going down the highway. One-piece roof, one-piece fiberglass roof. So this is the driver's side, or the non-camp side of the trailer, and just want to go over a little bit of the features over here. Like I said, it does have a 30 amp plug. Full services here. You have a cable in for cable TV if you're at the campsite, or if you want to hook up your tailgater satellite dish to this, you can do that. It has a ZAMP plug here, so if you want to do the solar suitcase, it is solar prepped and ready to go. You do have to purchase that solar panel separately. And then over here you have your water, your city water in, and your flush here, and then you have your outside shower or hose connection here. Your sewage hose storage is here on the back side of the trailer. It does have a 2-inch receiver in the back for a bicycle rack. All LED lights. You have your TV antenna up here. Your radio antenna is on the roof. Again, great little trailer, a little forever trailer. You're not going to get the mold and the mildew in this trailer because it is fiberglass. You're not going to get that wood rot because it's made out of aluminum. We're inside the brand new 2020 InTech Eclipse. This is the Soul Eclipse. This is their newest body style, I guess, or floor plan. This is the same length as the Dawn. It's 27 feet and weighs under 3,000 pounds. Can be towed by a small sport utility or minivan. But this is the new floor plan. You'll see your kitchen's up front where your big window is. This is pretty special. You can sit here and prepare your meals and look out the window. But you have all of your cabinets. You can see they all stay open now. For you Soul aficionados, you know that that's something new. Still all soft close. Okay. All your service center, your radio, your fuse panel is here. Your tanks, all your command center is right here. Okay. So we switched around the other side here to show you a little bit more of this trailer. This is a nice step-in bathroom. This is molded after a sailboat, so you're going to get the shower and the toilet all together. But I will step in here so you can see the size of it. It's big. Again, I have my shoes on. I'm 6'2", 280, and I have plenty of room in here to shower and do what I got to do at a campsite. Now, back here, we have our TV, we have a cabinet. This is where you store your table or your spare cushions to make the rear into a bed. This is going to make a nice sized bed back here. So I just wanted to show you the dinette area and the bed area back here. Again, I'm a big man. I can sit behind this table and two of my friends or three of my friends could sit here also. A really nice camper. It only weighs about 2,780 pounds, under 3,000 pounds. Again, small sport utility or a minivan can tow this, but a great little camper for two people. Very comfortable for two people. And there's some really nice features in here. You get your reading lights. Those will turn to white. We have blue lights in here. We want to get rid of the mosquitoes at night. We can turn on the blue lights, turn on the white ones outside, open the door and let the mosquitoes escape. Get rid of the rest of them and then close the door back up. But nice reading lights. We have nice shades. There's two of them. You have kind of a day shade and then a night shade behind it. Same thing with the front windshield. There's a nice big blackout front on the front windshield. Great little trailer. Again, we have an Eclipse. Give Alan Blosser a call at Mount Comfort RV. We're here in Indiana. 317-898-6676, extension 219. Again, Alan Blosser, Mount Comfort RV. We have it. It's here. It's on our lot. Come see it.